Everyone, today we are going to talk about the fundamental function using Panda in Python related to the data cleansing. If you are a student in Computer 9321, this video will help you to cover the basic knowledge of functions like shape, isNum, and job. It is all related to the lab02, so let's get started. To using Panda in Python, we first need to import Panda library into Python, and this is our data. And we need to change it to the data frame, which is just like table. First, let's talk about shape function. df.shape returns a tuple. It contains the number of rows and columns. df.shape square bracket 0 returns the number of rows. square bracket 1 returns the number of columns, which is 4. Sometimes we need to find out the non-value data. Let's change the year's value to num. And df.isNum is returned true if the value is num. Otherwise, returns false. While not num is opposite to the isNum, it returns true if value is not num, otherwise it returns false. Now let's talk about sum value. Let's try df square bracket year.sum. It calculates sum of colon years. df square bracket reports.sum calculates the sum of column reports. If we add dtype function at the end, we can check the type of the typical column. We can also use s-type to change the column type to any type you want. For example, if we put a float in the parentheses, we can change reports type from integer to float. Now it comes to the job function. Let's try df.job year axis equal to 1, which means job columns. Now we can see the column of year disappear. But in the data frame, it still exists. If we want to modify the data frame, we should add inPlace is true. The default value of inPlace is false. So when we set the inPlace is true, we can see we job it in the data frame. We can also assign a job list which contains column name that we want to job, using the job function to job name and report. Okay. Now we learned how to job columns. Next, we start to learn jobbing rows, which is quite different. We need to use index to job rows and change axis to 0. For example, we want to job the first row, so we type index equals to 0, and then we job it. We can assign index to different names, like this. If we want to job index named Pima, we type Pima in the place of index. We can see the row of Pima is already removed. So that's all the stuff I want to share with you. Hope this video may help you to understand more on pandas and Python. Thank you for listening and see you later.